Thought you were buying a Bosch range. Sleek design, German engineering, solid performance. That's the brand promise. But here's what most people don't realize. Bosch has two gas ranges that look similar, but are built very differently. One, the slide-in range, is made by Bosch. The other, the freestanding range, is actually made by SMEG, an Italian company known more for style than functionality. And the SMEG-Built model actually costs over $1,000 more. Let's break down what you're really getting and why the price difference isn't just about looks. The first major difference is how they fit in your kitchen. The Bosch range is a true slide-in. It installs flush with your countertops, has no back guard, and gives you a built-in integrated finish. No side gaps, no crumbs falling into the abyss. This model is a freestanding front control range. It has finished sides and a back guard, so it can slide into just about any cutout, or be left fully exposed at the end of a cabinet run. So it's flexible and way more popular. If you're doing a full remodel, want that seamless slide-in look, this range still wins on design and cleanability. Performance-wise, both models look similar on the surface. The Bosch slide-in range gives you a bit more power where it counts. Both offer an 18,000 BTU power burner. The slide-in adds a second 15,000 BTU burner. That extra heat can make a difference if you're running multiple burners or need serious sear power on more than one dish. Then there's the oven. The slide-in offers 4.8 cubic foot of space, just under average, but usable. The freestanding is just 3.7. That's the smallest in its class. It's definitely worth checking in person. We recommend opening both models side by side before buying, especially if you cook big meals or use full-size baking sheets. Other features like convection controls and soap cleaning are similar on paper. It's the burner layout, build quality, and capacity where you'll notice the difference. Here's the twist most buyers miss. The SMEG built-in freestanding, less featured range costs around $36.99. Well, the Bosch built-in slide-in comes in $25.49. That's not a small difference. For $1,100 more, you're getting less oven space, fewer high-output burners, and a freestanding design, even though it carries the same Bosch badge. To put in perspective, at that price, you're nearly in pro-range territory. If you're doing a full kitchen renovation, want that built-in fit, or care about cleanability, then the Bosch slide-in is the better pick, and obviously the better value. For replacing a standard freestanding range, this Bosch-branded model, made by SMEG, can still make sense. It's flexible to install and handles everyday meals just fine. But again, Bosch did partner with SMEG for this model. It's not built in that factory, not built in the same way. We'll help you figure out what makes sense for you without the guesswork. You can see both ranges in one of our 6 showrooms: Boston, Framingham, Hanover, Hyannis, Nantucket, or Norton. And most days we can deliver it the same day or next. Plus, we tracked over 33,000 service calls last year. So you have questions about reliability, installation, or which range is right for your space, talk to one of our specialists. We'll help you get it right the first time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the showroom.